What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have come to the right place. Today is our January 2022 Nomadik Box. So stay tuned to the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So if you are not familiar with Nomadik Box, it is a subscription box. You pay for 1, 6, or 12 months and you get these boxes in the mail every single month for the duration of your subscription. A couple things about Nomadik is if you get 12 months and you're going to be on vacation about the time that that box comes in for any particular month, you can get online and you can cancel that box. That doesn't mess up your subscription. You still get 12 boxes. It just skips a month, so you can make sure that you're at home when that box arrives. Number 2, they have an ironclad guarantee. What that means is if I open this box and there's something in here that's broke, damaged, or I already have one, I can reach out to Nomadik and they will replace that item for free and pretty quick. I had to do it one time in all these boxes. I've only had to do it once. The other thing, price on one box, it'll run you $32.95 if you pick up one box. If you go out to the 6-month subscription, it'll run you roughly $31.25 per box. And if you go all the way out to 12 months, it'll run you about $29.99 per box. So the longer you go, the less you pay per box. So really cool. But you know what? I'm done talking. Let's get into this thing and see what we got this month. So let's see. Let's use the Gerber Air Ranger. Now, I did recently do a review of this knife. I put a card over here up top where you can check out the review of this knife, but I did it really recently. So let's get in this box. So let's cut this tape. All right. We always like to keep our knife handy just in case we need it to get into something in the box. Oh, it was in there tight. So we're gonna venture into the unknown. So first thing first, we have a little pamphlet here. This one is Camp Refresh. Every month there's a theme with some awesome photography on there, awesome pictures. So this one, it looks like we have 3 items. So over here it gives you a list and description of those items. We have 3 items. I'll try not to look at those so we can be surprised together. Over here we have some Nomadik tips. Usually those tips relate to the theme. So these relate to how to stay clean while camping, and the theme is Camp Refresh. You have a Nomadik challenge, which is good for a month. And then on the back, and here, well, on this side, we didn't talk about this side, so we did all this, but then here, it basically says, let us know. If we ship quite a few boxes, we do our best to make sure they're perfect, but we might make a mistake. If any of your gear is damaged or missing, feel free to let us know. We will make it right. Email us, and there's an email address. On the back side, you have the shop, which tells you about the Nomadik shop where you can pick up some things, and brand discounts, which usually relate to the brands that are in the box. So sometimes it backs up, but let's get into this and see what we have. So pull this out. I'm gonna try to look at the camera and not the box. So just grab me in. What do we have? Morning Mojo bar soap. So let's see, mint and eucalyptus. So a little bar soap. All right, so what else do we have? Cola tree hand towel. All right, so I will tell you this, Cola tree, they sent a pair of socks one month and they're absolutely amazing. They are wool hiking socks. They're not super thick, but they're some amazing socks. I did get some more of those socks at Christmas. I made a specific request that I wanted more of those, so I got a couple more pair. So this is a hand towel from Cola Tree. Okay, so a little, it's kind of a microfiber maybe. Let's see if this tells us anything, what it's made out of. Yep, Cola Tree microfiber hand towel. This quick drying towel dries up to 10 times faster than normal cotton towel. Ultra absorbent, making it perfect travel accessory. So really cool there. It's got a little Cola Tree label here that you can use to hang. So there you go. Hand towel. What else do we have? Oh, we got a sticker. Nomadik. And said 3 things. What did we pull out? 2 things. Are we missing something? No, we pulled out soap. We did pull out soap, didn't we? Morning Mojo soap. All right, I thought we were missing something. All right, so what is this? Dock kit. All right, so this is Chapo Designs Dock kit. Retails for $34. I have a zipper. Okay. So basically like a little travel bag. Let's see what this tells us about it. Chapo Designs Dock Kit. This toiletry kit has a unique triangular shape that allows it to sit upright to ensure easy access to all of your essentials. Built with nylon and water-resistant pack cloth liner, this bag is durable and easy to clean post-adventure. It is perfect for those needing to travel light but roomy enough to hold all of your must-haves on the road. So, you can see here, it's like this. So it will sit upright, but your zipper is here. So it makes it easy to access that. You have a carry handle over here that you could hang it up or carry it with it or whatever. So yeah, it's got a little loop here. Looks like we got a little, well, the shock cords for the tag, but really cool. I like this. And this may replace my ditty bag. I may have to use this for my ditty bag. Got a bright red paracord zip pull, so, and it packs down pretty slim when it's empty. So really cool, like that. Well, that's it. January, only 3 items. So there they are. There'll be a link to Nomadik in the description below. So if you're interested, you can get over there and check Nomadik out. I am an affiliate, so if you click on that link and you do make a purchase, I will get a little bit of a commission on your purchase. Not a whole lot, but it is just a little bit. Nomadik did send me this box for free. I paid for a 6-month subscription, and they turned around and started sending me some boxes. So that's what I have. I have a whole playlist of Nomadik Box unboxings. So if you're curious to see what all comes in the boxes before you make a purchase, go check out that playlist, and you will not be disappointed. They did just start a quarterly box, so that's a bigger box, a little bit more expensive box, but it comes with more expensive gear. So go check that out as well. All that will be in the link below that'll take you over to Nomadik. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.